What's up, guys? This is the Zicam Extreme Congestion Relief. I've tried many different nose sprays over the years, and a lot of them just have your nose dripping. It's just nonstop dripping, nonstop blowing your nose. With this one, it's just two pumps in each nostril, and you're going to get a really clear nose very quickly. This is coming from somebody who has a deviated septum. I'm breathing out of my mouth most of the time, and so when you use this item, if you're using it like, let's say you wake up at 10, you're going to use it at 11 or 12, this is going to last you all day. I mean, you may start having problems around like 8 p.m. again if you have really, backed up sinuses, but this is really going to last you a long time. Okay. And so for me, this is my only go-to right here. It's this specific brand with this specific extreme congestion. So strongly recommend it.